Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Hanfala Cipta Rahmansyah. My number name of 24091387033 to kelas internasional. Here I will present about us or K3. Okay. Us history. 7th century BC. King Hammurabi of the Babylonian Empire status in his code. If a builder constructs a house for someone and does not complete the work properly, resulting in the house collapsing and causing the death of the owner, then the builder shall be put to death. Purpose of the law. The purpose of this regulation is the emphasis professional responsibility and ensure that construction work is carried out to high standard to prevent damage and hazard that could harm others. Us is story. His Anno Domini. Over 18 years AD, Pliny, a Roman encyclopedia, required that means the required to wear nose coverings. In 1009 for 1940, Domenico Fontane was tasked with constructing the obelisk in the middle of St. Peter's Square in Rome, mandated that workers to wear tails helmet. OHS. The following history. Industrial Revolution. 1. Many workplace accidents occur resulting in casualties. 2. According to employer, this is part of the work risk. 3. Employers his networkers. They workers are the entrepreneurs. 5. Employers profit that call victim. OHS. The following history. 1000. In 1931, the United States enacted War Company Law, regardless of whether the accusation occurred due to the victim, fault or the individual is entitled to compensation if the action happens while at work. England. It must be proven that the accident was not caused by the victim's fault. If it is proven that the accident occurred due to victim negligence, compression is not granted. However, since the victims are often in a vulnerable position, this requirement frequently disadvantages them. As a result, the regulation was eventually can to prevent competition regardless of whether the victim was at fault or not. Definition of OHS. 1. Etymological. Providing protect effort aimed at assuring that workers and other people in the workplace and always safe and healthy, and that every production source is the safely and effectively. 2. A concept real effort to decentralize of the workers and all people in general, along with the work and culture in an effort to achieve justice, prosperity, and welfare. 3. Scientifically, a brand of skin and appellation that study ways to prevent accident in the workplace. OHS legislation. Law UU PP Permen Perda. Hierarchy of OHS legislation. Law UU. Law is the legislation in Indonesia in the context of OHS. Several laws serve and the main foundation, including law and number 1 of 9 and number 1 of 1970 on occupation safety and law number 13 of 2003 on Manpora. This law set out basic principles and applications that must be leveraged by all parties involved in the work of work. Hierarchy of OHS regulation. Government regulation GRPP. GR are more detailed regulation that govern the implementation of the provision contained in law. Several GRS regulation OHS GR number 15 of 2012 on the implements of the occupational healthy and safety management system SNK 3 and GR number 21 of 2013 on occupational healthy and safety training. Hierarchy of OHS regulation. Ministry regulation permanent and head and agency regulation perka. Presiden GRS. The or also regulation is by minister or head of the related to OHS such as Minister of Manpora. Regulation number 5 of 2018 on procedures for occupational healthy and safety inspection. Hierarchy of OHS legislation. Perda. Regulation government also have the authority to issue regulation related to OHS according to the need and characteristic of each region. Objective. Workers have the right to perceive protection for safety in their work. 2. Other people if the work need to guarantee safety. 3. Production source can be used safely and efficiently. Legal basic of OHS. Law number 1 of 20 and 1970 on occupational safety is indeed the main legal basic governing object safety OHS in Indonesia. Legal basic of OHS. Basic principle. This law establishes basic principle that must be followed in implementing OHS in the works. Legal employer's responsibility. This law articulates that employers have the responsibility to create a safety and healthy work environment for workers. Workers' right and obligation. This law also regulates the right and obligation of workers related to OHS. Undang-Undang nomor 13 tahun 2003 tentang ketenagakerjaan. I'm sorry to speak Indonesia. This UUD no speak English. UUD nomor 13 tahun 2023 tentang ketenagakerjaan bab 1 ketentuan umum pasal 1. Dalam undang-undang ini dimaksudkan dengan ketenagakerjaan adalah segala hal yang berhubungan dengan ketenagakerjaan pada waktu sebelum, selama dan sesudah masa ketenagakerjaan. Ketenagakerjaan adalah setiap orang yang mampu melakukan pekerjaan guna menghasilkan barang dan atau jasa untuk memenuhi kebutuhan sendiri maupun untuk masyarakat. 3. Pekerjaan buruh adalah setiap orang yang bekerja dengan menerima upah atau imbalan dalam bentuk lainnya. 4. Pemberian pekerjaan atau perseorangan, perusahaan, badan hukum atau badan lainnya yang bekerjaan, tenaga kerja, bayar dan bentuk lainnya dan lain-lainnya. Dan untuk pasal 2 landasan asas dan hukum. Pasal 2 Pembagian ketenagakerjaan berlandasan Pancasila dan Undang-Undang Dasar Negara Republik Indonesia tahun 1945. Pasal 3 Pembangunan ketenagakerjaan diselenggarakan atas keterpaduan dengan melalui koordinasi fungsional lintas sektorat pusat dan daerah. Pasal 4 Pembangunan ketenagakerjaan yang bertujuan dan lain-lainnya. Dan bab 3 ini kesempatan dan pekerjaan yang sama dan lain-lainnya. Government Regulation of OHS GR number 15 of 2012 of Occupational Healthy and Safety Management System SMK 3 establish 1. Establishes the requirement and production for implementing SMK 3 in the workplace. Minister of Manpower Regulation number 8 of 2020 on occupational safety and healthy for lighting and transport equipment. Regulation safety requirement for the use of living equipment including technical requirement, maintenance and the as of personal protective equipment. This one, environmental population. Environmental population in the introduction of living organisms. Substantial energy of order component into the environmental environment or the alternation of environmental structure to human activities or natural processes. This generation of environmental quality can reach a level where the environment becomes less or not functional according to its intended purpose. The entry of hazardous substances into the environment is called population, and the hazardous substances themselves are called population. Population can damage environmental quality, including air, water, and soil. Pollutants. A substance is the classified and pollutants if it presents causes harm to living organisms. Characteristics of pollutant is being present is quantities greater than normal at an inappropriate time and in an appropriate place. There are several types of pollutants. 1. Chemical pollutants. Substances that can pollutants carbon dioxide CO2. 2. Physical pollutant. Solid, liquid, or gaseous substances that cause pollutant such as plastic bottles. Biological pollutants. Various microorganisms that cause the disease such as bacteria. Types of pollutants. Water pollutants, air pollutants, soil pollutants. Types of pollutants. Noise pollutants, light pollutants. Water pollutants. Water pollutant is a change in the condition of a water body such as lake, river, again groundwater to the human activity. Marine pollutants can be caused by the discharge of industry, wastewater that previously provided in rivers and eventually into the sea. Household waste such as plastic and industry waste when disposed into river of the post will into the sea. Freshwater pollution is not much different originally from waste industry wastewater, pesticide, chemical fertilizer, and erosion sediment. Characteristic. Water pollutant has various characteristics such as 1. Increased nutrient content leading to eutrophication. 2. Organic waste like sewage increases the oxygen demand in the water, reduces the available oxygen, which can severely impact in the ecosystem. 3. Industry pollutants such as heavy metal, organic toxin, oil, nutrition, and solid. This impact at aqualife. Impact on aquatic life. Excessive pollutants is wastewater will reduce DO levels in the water. As a result, aquatic life requiring oxygen will be disturbed, hindering their development. Impact on groundwater quality, water population, and on land can be measured through fecal coliform level, which have been widespread, as evidenced by a surface of shallow well in Jakarta. Impacts on healthy water pollution impact healthy by transmitting various diseases such as 1. Water as a medium for pathogenic microbes. Water becoming a breeding ground for diseases. Insufficient water availability for person hygiene. Water as a habitat for disease vector. Impact of environmental activities. The more organic matter dumped into water bodies, the more polluted they become, injected by a strong odor. This is also accompanied by with reduction the environment excess quality. Soil pollutant can be undisturbed and pollutants of chemical entering the soil contaminate in and disturb the soil element composition. Most soil pollutant comes from the use of practice this agri and plantation areas. In addition, coats and industrial waste such as plastic, glass, metal, rubber, and more. What break in the core the will decompose that can be resulted in soil pollutants. Impact on healthy. In impact of soil pollution on healthy depend of the type of pollutants, the pathway of entry in the body, and the vulnerability of the affected pollution. Impact on the environment or exertion. In addition on affect human health, soil pollution and also impact exertion. For example, radical chemical change in soil can cause to the presence of toxic and hazard chemical and losses. Impact on agriculture. Soil pollutant impacts at agriculture primarily affect plant metabolism. leading to reduced agricultural yields. They can have further effect on the soil conservation, and many might no longer be able to prevent soil erosion. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of various gases that become unstable with life of level and quality, and population and will classified into category primary pollution and secondary pollution. Primary, secondary pollution. Industry growth. One of the causes of every population in the country is the rapid urbanization and industrialization without pollution control. Motor phase emission, transport excess, and excess pollutant in longevity motor sector vehicle emission result to exhaust pipes contain harmful chemical compound resulting from fuel combustion. Forest fire smoke in Indonesia. Forest fires have become an annual contribution to air pollution in several provinces and Kalimantan, as Kalimantan West, Kalimantan North, Sumatra, Jambi, Riau, Lampung. Report indication that thick smoke from for the virus can cause several respiratory diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Impact. Effect on ecosystem. Effect on healthy. Effect on socio-economy. Effect on plants and animals. Effects on weather and climate. Example: industry, smoke and fuel combustion from factory, processing and heating process, smoke, dust and odor, liquid waste disposal, and other gases like H2S. Chemical processes at oil refining, construction activities, and road building products dust, transportation smoke, radioactive material, and exam radioactive particles, emission from mining and quarrying, and finishing burnish wasted. This natural disaster. There are all the effects that cause all work of cell-related accident from people who enjoy throwing wasted carelessly and so and with impacting flood, landslides, forest fires, and other. Okay, thanks very much. I am Hanfala Cipta Rahmansyah. Apologies if there are any wrong words in this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.